A half-acre pond is as clear as an opened mirror. The reflection of the sun and clouds shimmers on the pond. I would like to ask why the water canal is so clear. It is the bubbling water source that never dries. Taoyuan Irrigation Association is located in Taoyuan City in the northwestern area of Taiwan. The irrigation area covers 3 counties in the northern Taiwan, including New Taipei City, Taoyuan, and Hsinchu. The irrigation system is categorized by elevation into 4 different irrigation areas: Taoyuan, Daxi, Hukou, and Xinhai. The total irrigated land mass is 22,677 hectares. The climate of the irrigation area is hot and humid due to the subtropical influence. Annually, the average temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. The average rainfall is about 2,000 millimeters. The soil in the irrigation area is mostly hypotonic, such as clay, sandy loam, and sandy clay loam. 90% of our agricultural products comes from rice paddies that can be harvested twice a year. The remaining 10% comes from sweet potatoes, vegetable, fruit, and flowers. The establishment of the Taoyuan Irrigation Association has a very close connection to the construction of Taoyuan Main Canal. In 1916, the construction of Taoyuan Main Canal began. In 1919, in order to assist farmers, the reservoirs and water canals for the irrigation system of Taoyuan Main Canal were built. Furthermore, the Public Canals of Taoyuan Main Canal Cooperative was founded to oversee the construction of the conservancy ponds and waterways. In 1956, Daxi Irrigation Commission and Hukou Irrigation Management Agency merged into Taiwan Taoyuan Irrigation Association. In 1970, Xinhai Farm Irrigation Association merged with Taiwan Taoyuan Irrigation Association. In 2002, the chairman and committee members were directly elected by members. This organization is a public judicial person, represented by the chairman who bears all responsibilities governed by law. General Manager, as an executive, assists the chairman for all the association's day-to-day operations. Chief Engineer, to take responsibilities with all the association's technical engineering tasks. There are 4 divisions of engineering, management, finance, and administration. As well as 4 offices of personnel, audit, security, and information technology. The committee assembly were established to review and supervise the operation and promotion of the Irrigation Association. Currently, there are 13 workstations, 329 irrigation groups, with 995 shifts. The association consists of 120,790 members. In our organization, the main water source for our irrigation system is acquired from Sherman Reservoir or other adjacent rivers. All water facilities and irrigation systems combine with Taoyuan Main Canal. In each irrigation source, water from Sherman Reservoir accounts for 56%, water acquired from rivers and reservoirs accounts for 29%, and available rainfall water accounts for 15%. The main crop irrigation method is diverging water from the water source through the aqueduct, flowing through the main line, branch lines, and into the water storage tank for filtration. It is distributed from the storage tank onto the farmland through waterways. The surplus from the irrigation will be led to the drainage waterway into the river, which in turn becomes the return water. It can be used for irrigation. Prior to the irrigation of each season of crops, we will allocate sufficient proportion of water for irrigation based on the land mass, soil texture, cultivating situation, and the storage. River flowing rate and Sherman Reservoir water allocation plan. Water allocation plan and water usage data are recorded and stored in order to prepare for future allocation plans. The workstation is a fundamental work unit to operate the farmland irrigation system and assist the irrigation squads in development. The irrigation squads are fundamental groups that help members to acquire water from the irrigation system. The head of the irrigation squad will select a few leaders to assist members with irrigation. We also established Water Quality Examination Lab in 2000. It is responsible for unscheduled quality checks of the water from the irrigation area. The sophisticated and unscheduled water check are implemented in order to maintain proper water quality for irrigation. In 2005, the Examination Lab acquired the permit for environment inspection from the Environmental Protection Administration. In 2011, we were qualified for TAF certification. With the advancement of the technology and compressive information system, it serves as a catalyst to solve problems effectively and enhance our work efficiency. Information management includes Hydrological Information Management System. The main function of the Hydrological Information Management System includes the irrigation plan and the irrigation management geography formation, etc. The main functions of the management system include collecting rainfall information, reservoir water supply information, reservoir water volume, and water quality monitoring, etc. The irrigation plan is designed to provide irrigation water distribution plan for the irrigation district for the year. Geographic Irrigation Management Information System provides complete information on irrigation in each district. The major water canals used in the irrigation system are Taoyuan Main Canal, Guangfu Water Canal, and canals branch from Dahan River, as well as water storage tanks, dams, and waterways. Due to the utilization of these water facilities for years and natural disasters, some water facilities have worn out. It not only affects the water output, but also raises the concern for the safety of the canal dikes. In order to maintain its original irrigation function and enhance the efficiency of water usage, we annually designate budgeting and take initiatives to repair and improve each irrigation facility. To ensure the safety for the water storage reservoirs and to increase the storage capacity, our team has long made effort to maintain and improve the storage reservoirs throughout the course of time. In addition to taking irrigation and drainage functions into consideration, in recent years we have also designed the irrigation facilities to be compatible with the surrounding environment. Greenification and ecological construction are conducted in suitable locations. On the one hand, it reaches our goal of energy efficiency and carbon reduction. On the other hand, it provides the adjacent residents with friendly environment. Different faces and functions are demonstrated through these modern water facilities. Agriculture is the root of Taiwan. We also assist our government to conduct farmland readjustment, undertake the planning, design, and construction for farmland redevelopment engineering, so as to match the goal of promoting rotational irrigation systems. Up to now, we have conducted 16 redevelopment zones. The total landmass reaches 15,754 hectares. The rearrangement of the farmland cultivation environment and the expansion of the farmland scale have been improved. The effects have prominently shown in the increasing of crop yield and the speeding up of building infrastructure for agricultural villages. It is beneficial for the welfare of the farmers and the development of agricultural villages. The main sources for income for the association are business income and out-of-business income. Business income includes construction usage fees, engineering grants, other business income, and membership income, government-generated pay. Out-of-career income includes interest income, rental income, consolidated income, and non-business income. Operating in a diversified way can make the best use of available lands, achieving the purpose of sustainable management of the association. For as long as this association has been established, it has been upholding service members and promoting people's livelihood and convenience, taking initiative to restore and repair waterway construction through the combing of water storage ponds, making irrigation canals more eco-friendly, and building up other facilities. We have achieved many important construction tasks. Promoting the combination of water storage reservoir plan, we combined Taoyuan main canals 10 to 15, 10 to 16, 10 to 19, and 11 to 20 water canals. In doing so, we've achieved intensifying the management of irrigation, improved the water distribution, and therefore enhanced the effectiveness of the use of water. Also, we're developing solar power electricity and green energy system. We've completed 14 sets of solar voltaic installation to 14 different farm ponds. The total energy it can generate on average annually, 29 million degrees. The total reduction on the emission of CO2 is 15,000 tons. We've started to provide scholarships for the children of the members so that they won't have to worry about financing the education of their children. We have built an information management system to have all the administrative tasks go digital, and use the Hydrological Information Automatic Telemetry Remote Control System to manage self-recording rainfall. Websites and irrigation using technology such as GIS, GPS, and satellite remote sensing. To develop modern farmland water management methods. At the same time, we establish a complete water conservancy and hydrological data file to execute the concept of sustainable development. To build up an integrated, fully functioning, self-governing body that can ensure the sustainable development of irrigation business. To construct the modernized office environment, expanding cloud computing data projects application. To optimize the use of water resource supply and distribution in an efficient way. To develop smart irrigation facilities and cultivate the skills for water irrigation management. To reduce the loss of water conveyance and increase the efficiency of water resources usage and increase the yield of crops. To complying the policy of green energy with central government, promote the use of solar energy in storage ponds and rivers. To assist the central government in the foundation of sustainable energy development.